Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you the most beautiful waterfall of Europe and the Middle East. Let's talk about why we call it the best. First of all, one of the most important features compared to the others is the ease of transportation and location. When entering the city of Izmir from the north, you can reach it with only a few minutes journey from the main road. One of the other features of being the best is that it has a breakfast room. You don't want to miss the pleasure of breakfast and coffee with the view of the waterfall. If you like to taste different traditional foods, you can try nane reçeli and koruk suyu. There are two waterfalls on the stream, and there is a hiking trail between these two waterfalls. It's possible to encounter interesting natural beauties during this walk. One of the interesting places you can see is the Crying Cave. You can use the upper waterfall to swim and jump, so don't forget to take your swimsuit. You can also drink Turkish coffee at the lower waterfall. Finally, I would like to talk about the camping area where you can set up a tent. Thank you for your watching.